Replacing your Peugeot key fob battery is a simple DIY task that fixes most key fob issues. The key fob typically uses a CR20032 3-volt lithium coin battery that lasts about 1 to 2 years with normal use. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opener tool, plus a replacement CR2032 battery. First, identify your specific Peugeot key fob type to ensure you're working with the correct model. Carefully pry open the case using a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely to ensure proper function. Branded batteries are recommended for better reliability. This simple replacement fixes 90% of key fob issues caused by battery failure. If your remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming is often necessary. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to accessory mode, and follow your specific Peugeot model's instructions for key fob reprogramming. Refer to your owner's manual or online resources for the exact steps. Clean the battery contacts to remove any corrosion that may have built up. Use a soft cloth or contact cleaner on the battery terminals inside the key fob to ensure a good electrical connection. Check for recalls related to key fob transmitter issues. For example, Peugeot's 2024 recall for certain 3008 models. Visit Peugeot's website or contact your dealer to see if your vehicle is affected. Be aware that software glitches can sometimes cause remote malfunctions, potentially requiring professional reprogramming. If issues persist after trying the previous steps, consult a Peugeot dealership for assistance. For post-2024 models, check the infotainment system for battery diagnostics and low battery alerts. The vehicle's screen will notify you when battery levels drop below safe thresholds.